Teshoy Orchids Farming here in San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. Good morning. Early in the morning. So much flowers. Banda strap, ornamentals, and Hoya curry. We have lots of flowers here in the garden and then in the farm. This one, very mabango, grabe. Screenshot nyo daw, 123123 BB Farmer. Belchus. Pocara Pansy. Ito nagtatago. Pure wax. Wala namang problema sa mga ugat nila, sa puno. Ayan, yung mga collectors dyan. We have lots of dendros here. Bougainvillea, ornamentals. Ayan, golden serratum. Adenium. Ayan, adenium. Yung malagi. Ayan, namumulaklak na rin ang ating mga adenium. Import ito, import. Mura po ang mga farm grown. Pag import kasi ayan ganyan sila. Talagang perfect ang kanilang pagkakagrap, and then 4-in-1, 2-in-1, 3-in-1. Then we have dendro, ayan, bougainvillea. Tapos itong king dragon na big. We have lots of belchus and fire. Ayun. We have lots of cuttings now. Magsisale tayo, magla-live tayo ngayon. Clearance sale. Ayan, nagdami natin kinat na mga belchus, tapkat. Pocara tapkat. Ito yung mabango na nag-iisa. Ayan, may spy. Tahanan natin mabuti. Ayan, mabango yan. Alice Chen. We have lots of mga may anak na banda na blooming size and spike. Dendro, new harvest. There's so much dendro banda na may spike. Season ho ngayon ng mga flowers. Ayan, medyo nag-uulan na, so kaya medyo naglilitaw ng ating mga flowers. Ito collector's item, collection. Yan, bye-bye. This is Teshoy Orchids Farming, and then please subscribe my YouTube channel, Teshoy Orchids Farming.